You might think this tiny component is harmless, but watch what happens under pressure. This isn't just a resistor, it's a hidden world packed into a small piece. Today, in just a couple of minutes, I'm going to open it up for you. A resistor is one of the most essential components in electronics. It controls the flow of electric current. Without it, most of our circuits would burn out. But what's inside this little body? A layer of carbon or metal that acts like a brake for electricity. Let's take a closer look. And these colorful stripes? They're not just for decoration. Each color represents a number that tells you the resistor's value. Now, if we push more current through it, the resistor heats up, smokes, and even burns. That's exactly how it protects circuits. See how much story this tiny part carries? If you enjoyed this video and want me to open up and explore other components like capacitors or transistors, hit the like button and subscribe to my channel for more.